Let's learn about the Student Flags feature in Genius. Today you will learn what student flags are, how to create and set them, and how to remove them from when they are no longer needed. Flags are parameters that you can set for individual students to make grouping, filtering, and reporting easier. For example, many schools will set flags for their full-time learners so that they can easily pull attendance for that group of students. You can refer to this slide to remember what each parameter means. To begin, first log into Genius and then click the Administration tab. From there, on the left, click Student Flags. We're going to add 2 new flags today so that you can see what each parameter looks like. Click Add New Flag. For the name, I recommend naming your flag something that describes the parameter, such as full-time, student-athlete, or IEP student. Update the status of the flag to active. The next several options allow you to design what your flag will look like. First, select your background color, and then your text color. And then there's many icons that you can use to indicate what that flag means. Under Type, you'll select between Manual and Auto. A manual flag is a flag that is added manually to each student who requires it. An auto flag can be set to automatically apply to students meeting set criteria. The criteria is mapped in the conditions box using queries. For assistance with applying auto flags to specific parameters, contact your Kaola account manager. A fixed display means the flag always displays with the icon and the title of the flag written out. A non-fixed display will require you to hover over the flag to view the details. Our details for our fixed display are ready. We'll click Save, and then let's add our other flag. I've entered in the details for our non-fixed display flag. Now that we've added the 2 flags that we're going to use for our students, it's time to add them to our students. Navigate to the Students tab, and then you can select your student either on the left or from the student search in the center of the page. On the student dashboard, scroll down to Actions and select Flags. Then click Add New Flag. Use the drop-down to find the flag that you created. Select Active, and then you can leave a description to remind yourself what that flag means if you would like. Click Save, and then we're going to add our other flag that we created so that we can see what that looks like. Click Save, and navigate back out to the main page of the student's page. From there, we can see both our fixed display that shows the full text and icon, and our non-fixed display, which needs to be hovered over to see what that means. You can use flags to indicate what students need. For example, if you flag a student as a student athlete, you can use that icon as a reminder that you need to submit athletic eligibility for that student. You can also use flags to filter out communications. For example, under the Students tab, you can click Bulk Emails, and then you can select your affiliation, status active, and then you can filter by the flags that you've set so that you can email a select group of students. Click Get Data, and from there, all students who have that associated flag will appear and you can bulk email them. You can also do this for setting auto in emails to send to only that selection of students. Now that we know how to set flags, let's talk about how to remove flags. To remove a flag from a specific student, you'll navigate back to that Students tab, Flags, and then click the paper and pencil icon beside the flag that you wish to remove. You can either delete the flag or change the status to archived, and click Save. If you need to remove a flag altogether and have it no longer be an option for your students, you can navigate back to the Administrations tab, Student Flags, and then search for your flag within the list. You'll click the paper and pencil icon and change your status to archived and click Save. The most frequently asked question we receive regarding student flags is, can I apply student flags in bulk? At this time, you're not able to do so. However, if you submit the specific parameters for an auto flag to your Kaola account manager, we can attempt to build you something that would automatically apply to more students than one at a time. For any questions regarding student flags, please reach out to your Kaola account manager.